Hello traders, a very special day today. We are day trading, one of my favorite things to do. And I call Fridays, today's Friday, Money Making Friday, because on Fridays we like to be done early. We like to get in, get out, make money. Not all the time,
Order
but
filled.
today I have an opportunity because I see a long here on the Micro E-mini 741450. This is the Sonic system that I'm trading. I'm going to cover the trade. I'm going to explain to you a little bit on price action. Previously, we have three separate signals that were all winners, and the fourth one here is the one that I'm taking. Clearly, I can see that the move is going higher, and I always say know the direction before jumping in. And the reason why I say that is because if you're not clear on the direction, then there's really no reason to be in the market. But in this case, I'm using the day trade to win signals. I have previously seen the Trade Scalper, the Blueprint, the Sonic. They are all long. They are all pretty much winning trades. And instead of me trying to sell it, I am going to use what I see. I see the signal. I'm going to take it long. I have confirmation of the signals only to the long side, and that's the reason why. Now, I always recommend having a stop. Please don't trade without stops. I have my stop in there. The previous three signals, they are winning trades, perfectly strong confirmation, and that's the reason why I want to enter, but always have that stop. My stop is there. I'm using the stop based on the Sonic system. The Sonic gives me the target and the stop, and that's exactly what I'm using today. Now, what methods am I using? The day trade to win methods on this chart are the Sonic system is the trade that I took, the Trade Scalper, and the Blueprint. So I just have 3 out of the 9 or 10 that we offer. I think it's enough just to give me a good understanding of what to do because I see it clearly that these are all long signals. Now, before you trade, remember that it's risky to trade, so always be and understand the consequences of trading, and that's why you should always have a stop to protect you. I see something on the chart that I want to discuss. I mentioned this in the videos once in a while. I discussed this as well in the program where markets love to test where they've been. And you can see that that candle at about 10 o'clock, it looks like, made a high. Now, I'm going to kind of backtrack here a little bit. If the market made a new high and it pulls back, and then I get a signal, and then it turns around and is as if it wants to come back and test that high, and that's exactly what I see. That is a bonus. So it's not just the signals, which I think are fantastic. It's also this other aspect of, oh, the market made a new high. It's pulling back. It's on its way back up there to test the highs. Now, I don't know if it's going to go through the highs. I just know and anticipate based on the multiple day trade to win signals that should be long, and that we are also going to test a previous high. Now, I've just added the text and marker. Now, this is important so you could see exactly where I entered there at 74.1350, about a point off from the actual signal. I always go for a better price, and I recommend that you do as well. Always try for a better price. It'll always benefit you in the long run. If you miss the trade, you miss the trade. Who cares? There's plenty of trades. But in this case, getting a little bit better of an entry price allows me to either get out early to manage the trade, making $400 on a Friday morning. It's not that complicated, but we also have to follow the rules. You should never trade without structure, understanding, really know what you're doing ahead of time. Now I see another signal here. This is another signal. This is actually the blueprint telling me to go long. So I'm actually happy to see that because now not only do I have a Sonic signal that I just took, but I also have a follow-up also telling me to go long. So everything is really setting up here for the trade to go higher. I'm anticipating it to hit my target. We're above where I previously entered. And now if this trade takes an hour, obviously we as day traders need to get out of the trade. It's called a time-based stop. A time-based element is what I discuss a lot in the program.
Target
All
filled.
right, hit the target. I'm done. Great Friday morning. I forgot what it looked like. I think it was $400, maybe $450. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Sign up. Accelerated Mentorship includes all the software that you're seeing on the chart, everything that I'm using to take these trades, the entries, the targets, and the stops. I think the best part about it is that this is based on price action. Have a great weekend. I'll see everyone on Monday. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.